Hello guys, how to reset or repair Instagram app on Windows 11 and Windows 10. If you are failed to operate Instagram on your Windows PC, then here are the fixes. You can reset Instagram. To do so, open Windows settings and here from the left side, click on apps. Thereafter go to right side and from the top of the page, choose installed apps and here look for Instagram. Type Instagram in search field and click on three horizontal dot against Instagram apps. Click on advanced options and here scroll down and you will find the option reset. Scroll down. If your Instagram app not working properly on Windows 11 and Windows 10, then you must first repair Instagram and thereafter reset Instagram app. And to do so, you should go to Windows settings page and here you will find reset. If you choose repair, then your data of Instagram app will not affected. So first choose repair, the app's data would not be affected. And if this app still is not working right, reset, this will permanently delete the app's data on this device, including your preferences and sign-in details. That's all.